Welcome to OutreachBox, an all-in-one platform for email campaigns, sales research, influencer research, advanced SEO and AEO research, automated content generation, design creation, and team collaboration. In this video, we will discuss how to set up a new project and manage the projects in OutreachBox. First, let's understand what a project is in OutreachBox. Projects in OutreachBox act as containers for all activities related to a specific goal. Projects help you organize all your research, campaigns, content, and outreach activities around specific goals or topics. Whether you're running an SEO campaign, launching a new product, or managing content for a client, projects keep everything organized and trackable. Each project can include target keywords you want to rank for, content you are creating, outreach campaigns you are running, analytics and performance tracking, notes and documentation, and team collaboration. Remember, creating a project is essential for managing SEO and AEO research, email campaigns, sales campaigns, and influencer research in OutreachBox. We have understood about the project. Now let's create a new project step by step together for better understanding. To create a project, click New Project. These are the essential details we need to fill in to set up our project. First, we need to enter the project name. Here we are choosing the name Demo OutreachBox. It's always good to choose a descriptive name for your project. After that, we need to choose the website URL we are working on. It's important to provide the correct URL because OutreachBox uses it to crawl and analyze your website in order to generate accurate results. Here, we'll select outreachbox.com as the website URL. Now, we are going to add a description of our project. In this section, include key details about the project. It's good practice to provide a brief summary of what the project is about and what you are trying to achieve. After that, we are going to set the status of this project. We need to choose one option from the 5 available statuses: active, planning, on hold, completed, or canceled. Since we are just starting to work on this project, we will select the planning option. You can choose the status based on your requirements, and the best part is that you can always change it later. After choosing the status, the next step is to set the project priority. Select one of the 4 available options: low, medium, high, or urgent. If this is urgent client work, choose high or urgent. Otherwise, medium usually works well. Here, we will select medium because this project is not very urgent for us. This priority setting helps us manage multiple projects more efficiently later. Now, we are going to set the project budget. If you have a defined budget, entering it here, it will help our team members track expenses and plan the next steps accordingly. Here, we are setting the project budget to $1,500. The budget also helps the team better understand client requirements and plan campaigns more effectively. Next, we are going to set the project timeline by selecting the start date and end date. We are setting this project for 1 year, choosing a start date of February 1st, 2026, and an end date of February 1st, 2027. This helps keep our campaigns time-bound and well-organized. Right now, we are going to add our focus keywords. Focus keywords are the main keywords we want our website to rank for. Here, we are adding our top 5 keywords: email outreach tools, SEO research, AEO research, influencer research tools, and marketing automation tool. You can add multiple keywords, but it's best to start with 5 to 10 primary ones. These keywords will be used throughout the project for content generation, SEO optimization, and research. After that, we are going to add the target audience for this project. It is very important to define your target audience clearly. Here, we are adding our main audience segments one by one, such as SEO agencies, digital marketers, and content marketers. Before entering these details, make sure to research your audience carefully. This step helps Outreachbox personalize research and content strategy for better results. Now we need to add our competitors' website URLs. Adding competitor domains helps us track their performance, compare strategies, and identify gaps for improvement. Here, we are adding two main competitors, Hunter and SEMrush. This allows Outreachbox to analyze competitor strategies, compare performance, and discover additional competitors. It is a powerful feature for SEO and outreach campaigns. After that, we need to add our marketing goals. Here, we are setting two main goals for our project. One is increase our website backlinks, and another one is improve the SEO and AEO rankings of our website. Always define clear and specific goals in this section as they help your team stay focused and work toward measurable results. Now, you will see two checkboxes at the bottom. The first option is automatically start crawling the website, and the second is automatically detect competitors via SERP. We are selecting both checkboxes, but you can choose either one or both based on your requirements. We recommend selecting both, as this saves time by allowing Outreachbox to immediately crawl your website, analyze your content, and detect competitors automatically. We have filled in all the required details to create the project. Now, we will review everything once more to make sure nothing is missing and there are no mistakes. After rechecking the information, we are ready to create the project. Finally, we click the Create Project button to complete the process. Now, our project is fully set up. It will take some time to process and generate complete results. Once the project is ready, it will appear in our dashboard. From there, we can begin tracking progress and exploring the insights. Now we will click on View Details for our project to see the complete information. This is basically the command center where we can manage and monitor everything related to the project. Now we're in the Project Overview section. This is where you'll find the important information like the project name, description, status, priority, timestamps, and other important details. Next, we have the Keywords tab. Here, we can view different keyword groups like source keywords, focus keywords, crawled keywords, competitor keywords, researched keywords, selected keywords, and custom keywords. We can also download keywords or add our own custom keywords from this section. After that, we have the LLM Keywords tab. Here, we can see AI-generated keyword ideas along with helpful optimization tips. We can also create more keywords anytime by clicking Generate AI Keywords. Next, we have the Competitors tab. Here you can view your competitor details and analysis. You can also add new competitors anytime by clicking Add Custom Competitor. After that, we have the Analytics tab. Here you can view website analytics, SEO metrics, and overall website performance analysis. Next, we have the Tasks tab. Here you can see all the project tasks, assignments, due dates, and their current status. You can also add new tasks directly from this section. After that, we have the Notes tab. This is where we can keep project notes, meeting notes, and collaboration notes in one place. We can also add new notes anytime from this section. Next and last, we have the Crawled Data tab. Here we can see your website's content analysis, page structure, SEO data, and other important insights. All right, now let's take a quick look at the Projects page. At the top, you'll see quick statistics like total projects, active projects, archived projects, and a breakdown by status and priority. We can view our projects in 3 different ways: grid, list, and table. The grid view is great for a visual summary, list helps with quick browsing, and table is ideal when you need detailed information. We can easily manage our projects as they move forward. We can edit a project to update details, duplicate it to create a copy, or delete and archive projects when they're no longer needed. Archiving helps keep our dashboard clean while still preserving the data for future reference. Outreach Box makes it easy to find our projects using the search bar. Just type the project name and we can quickly locate the project we are looking for. We can also use the status filter to quickly sort your projects. Just choose a status such as planning, active, on hold, or completed to see the relevant projects. Another option is the priority filter. We can filter our projects based on priority levels like low, medium, high, and urgent. Filters and search work in real time and are case insensitive, so we can quickly and easily find the projects we are looking for. That's a complete overview of projects in Outreach Box. Now we know how to create projects, track progress, manage tasks, analyze competitors, and collaborate with our team. So why wait? Start Create Your Project today and take the first step towards smarter, automated marketing and sales with Outreach Box.